Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. One 66 by 12 mm. Put it on center in both the axes X and Y. And then exit. I can move this surface or a sketch and pad or pull it 71 mm in negative direction. That's why I'm putting minus 71. Here I can making this drawing totally different way in this software. I'm putting that plane on center datum plane and I'm splitting this body into two parts and I'm hiding one portion and another portion I'm making it of 45 mm. Adjust both the solid in 45 mm length. Okay. Select this face for a sketch. Make a rectangle for slot of 25 by 2 mm. 25 and 2 mm. Put it on center. I can move into center. I already told you this software works in totally different ways. So be careful. I'm making slot. I'm making datum plane 5 mm from side. Select as a sketch plane and make a rectangle. Put it on 43 from this line and make a side rectangle. 10 by 53. Both the sides. 10 by 53. And trim extra entities 15 mm. Trim extra portions. Repeat fillet in another direction and offset it and trim extra entities. Now finished, and then pull it -61 and enter. Select top face as a sketch plane, make a circle of 50 mm diameter and another circle for 25 mm diameter, and then finish sketch. Pull it 25 mm and select inside and pull down to remove. Our top portion is finished, and make a edge fillet of 10 mm radius. Only 4 holes are remaining. Select this face as a sketch plane and make a circle of 12 mm diameter. Delete datum planes, select it and pull down and move 20 mm from this corner, 23 mm, and make another circle or another hole with 25 mm. Center to center, and select both the holes with the help of control and move it, and now again adjust the place 20 mm. Our drawing is finished. In this software, concept is totally different as compared to other softwares. You can see in preview it shows only one solid.